got a quick question. When you're doing comps and you say your property is a 2-1 and there are a lot, and you have maybe 1,300 square feet. And then in the area, you have a lot of 3-1s and their square feet are something similar to your 2-1. Can you add those comps in or?
Well, great question. So first thing I would say, if you have a 1,300 square foot, it's a single family, right? It's not a condo or something.
Right.
If you have a 1,300 square foot house that is a 2-bedroom, I'm going to go out. I'm going to venture to say that it probably was a 3-bedroom that somebody converted to a 2-bedroom, which means you can probably convert that back to a 3-bedroom. It's very rare to see a 1,300 square foot house with only 2 bedrooms. That's very rare.
Okay.
Yeah. I would look at the floor plan. You can probably make it back into a 3-bedroom.
Okay. Because I'm running across that a lot, whereas it might be a 2-1 and the 2-1 has enough square footage where there are 3-1s at the same square footage.
Yeah. So let's assume that it wasn't 1,300. Let's say that it was 800 and it was a 2-1. And then you have 1,000 square foot 3-1s.
Yes.
There's a major transition from a 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom in the market and value. Now, when you go from a 3 to a 4, not so much. Like maybe you can use a 4-bedroom when you're comping if you have a 3-bedroom, but a 2-bedroom is a big deal. So like on my mass marketing for our wholesale business, we exclude 2 bedrooms. I exclude 2 bedrooms and I exclude under 900 square feet.
Okay.
I don't want to touch those because let's say I get a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and it's, 750 square feet. In most markets, not all markets, but in most markets, that is a very difficult deal to flip. Okay. There's going to be very few buyers. They don't rent well. They don't sell well. Cash buyers, you're going to limit your pool of buyers, whether it's retail, cash buyers. There are some exceptions. Like you might be in a neighborhood in California where, all the houses are 800 square feet and they're 2-1s. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about where the 2-bedroom is the exception in the marketplace. And most homes are 3 bedrooms with 1 bath or 3 bedrooms with 2 baths. Again, there are certain markets that might be 2-bedroom, 2 bath. There's a lot of condos that are that way. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about where you're like, man, I'm in this neighborhood and I got a 2-bedroom. Like I'm talking, let's say take Metro Detroit. What market are you in, Christy? Atlanta. Great. So the 2-1 is the exception because there's a lot of 3-bedroom, right? So Metro Detroit, same way. There's a lot of 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are going to sell for half the price or whatever. Okay. So I just avoid them as much as I can. Or if you are, it's not that I'm totally opposed to it, but if I get a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, I'm going to definitely only comp it against 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Okay. That's good information. Comp it against 3 bedrooms.
Okay. So what about a 4-1, opposed 4-1s and 3 2s? Can that 3-2 go to okay.
It's still not the same, but it's way more reasonable to go from a 3-1 to a 4-1 or a 3-2 to a 4-1.
Okay.
But if you think about a buyer, most buyers are going to want minimum 3-bedroom. A 4th is kind of a bonus, but maybe they don't need a 4th. There's a lot of buyers that don't want a 4-bedroom. They'd rather, they'd rather have a bigger living room or a bigger kitchen and have a 3-bedroom or whatever. But a 2-bedroom is a tough.
Yeah. Okay.
House. That's a tough house. In fact, most 2-bedroom homes are like rentals. Like they don't even sell retail very well.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll sell forever retail.
Okay. I'll stay away from those then. Okay.
Yeah. It's in Atlanta. I would say if you're going to create a filter, I would do what I do, which is try to avoid 2 bedrooms and try to avoid under 900 square feet.
900 square feet. Okay.
And then I would be looking very closely at garages and basements as well in Atlanta.
I know. I was listening to one of your speeches about looking for the features, like promoting the features of the house. And then also it was something else you were talking about. I can't remember. I have to remember, but that's another strategy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Great question.